bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesota. I want to tell you about these leaves. See this is what we call cocoyam leaves. Cocoyam leaves, ewé cocoa. Some people are eating cocoyam, they don't know that they're eating medicine. Some people are eating these leaves as vegetable, they don't know they are eating medicine. Get seated and hear from me today. The last time I told you about okra, that anytime you eat okra with bitter leaf, and when you watch that video, you will see it there. Many people are now giving testimony. I thank God. So today, don't forget, I'm the publisher of 4 these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey. This is a solution to women problems. Somebody asked me, what is inside this book? Healing Power of Honey. I said, look, if you are always shortage of blood, there's one leaf you can use. It's in healing power of honey. Yes. Ajeba muje èèyàn tó wá lọ lo tonic òun fún wọn láàyè sí ni o. When witches and wizards are sucking your blood, then you are using blood tonic all around. You are giving them more power to be sucking your blood. So only one leaf is in this book. What you can do, how you can use that leaf is in this book. If somebody gets staphylococcus, it's in this book, Healing Power of Honey. This is honey as a medicine. When somebody gets hatred in the body, nobody don't want to see you. You are a lady. They like you today. Tomorrow they don't like you again. You can remove your hatred with bitter leaf and other things. How you will do it is in this book. You are always broke. The complete way of using coconut water and honey is here. You will see money and you won't spend badly again. Some people, their money used to miss. They don't know. When they put money in the wardrobe, no wife, no children, but the money will still be missing. You go to market to buy some things. When you reach home, you calculate. You cannot balance again. Your money has been stolen every day. What you can do is in this book, Honey as a Medicine. This one, African Power, is the latest book in the market. African Power, as most selling book I have now. Yes, if somebody get low sugar, high sugar, you want to reduce your sugar, you want to have a low blood sugar, you have diabetes, then you want it to be reduced. You want your sugar level to be reduced totally. If you use these rules I've always talked about, after 1 week, stop it. Go and do your test again so that you will not have to low blood sugar again. It should be accurate. Because if it is too low, it's not good. So, then, manpower, how you can use that same route for manpower is in this book. It's the same route you are using for manpower, rheumatism, and arthritis. You are a man, you cannot perform very well. When your wife continues to call you a useless man, well, when you cannot perform, you are a useless man. Yes. This one, don't forget, is solution to man problems. You have sickle cell children, you can use it for them. This is original honey. Very scarce. We are only selling for those who have bought our books, who have bought the books or who are ready to buy, because honey is very scarce. You cannot harvest honey in the afternoon. It's only night they used to harvest honey. And those who go to farm in the afternoon, you know what happened to them. Talk less of anybody want to go and harvest in the night. That is why some of the honey they are being wasted on the farm because people don't harvest them as expected. So this is cocoyam. I want to tell you many leaves, they are very important in our Africa. See this one. See. You know this one? It resembles fingers. This is 5 arms. See. It resembles fingers. Our people can use it to use your money to collect. You use your hand to collect money. Yoruba call it ewe atewogba. You meet me in my new book, African Power Part 2, how you can use this leaf to always receive money. But today now, I want to talk about these leaves. This is cocoyam leaves. This, see, cocoyam, ewe cocoa. When you go to your farm, hardly can you see any plant that get a very big hand like cocoyam. Yes, cocoyam. It's very nutritious. When you eat the yam, it prevents you from sicknesses. But when you use the leaf, you want to use the leaf, you cut it. You cut these leaves into pieces. As you used to cut your ugu, you cut it. When you cut it, cook it as a normal soup. As you used to cook your vegetable, you cook it as vegetable. You add locust beans. You add locust beans and pepper to it with your other ingredients to it. When you eat it, you will always see money. As this thing flat, see, it's telling you directly that you will be wide in your business. You will get power. The leaves I saw you before, you know we have cassava leaves. It used to be like this. This is not cassava leaves. When I want to talk about cassava leaves, I will tell you, cassava leaves, you get a stage, it will get 3 hands. After some time, 4, 5, 8, 9. So we can use it for different types. We can use that different hands for pregnancy. If you have a pregnant that doesn't develop, I will teach you free on this channel. Watch out. So when you cook this thing, if you are doing it every time, at least once or twice in a week, you will not regret you. See, ewe cocoa, very nutritious, and scientists says good for our body. It says it contains vitamins, vitamin B6, vitamin, all sorts of vitamins. Then these leaves. As scientists, they will tell you. But I'm just telling you the spiritual aspect of it today now. That is very good. When you have a dull business, your business is not moving, you have been getting customer before, but they don't come again. Try it, just cook it and eat it. You can eat with children. But make sure, if you're a woman, you are safe that month, that you are not on period. Yes. Because some people used to call me, hey, that bitter leaf, can I do it when I am on? No. When you want to eat it ordinarily, you can do. But when you want to target what we do, that when you are eating it with a locust bean, you prepare it with pepper, you eat it, within 3 days, you will see what you see. You will see blessing. But when you are on period, woman, please, don't do it that time. So that it will work for you. Even the one of bitter leaf, don't do it when you are not free. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Kini Show. If you watch Kini Show television, you will see it. I loaded many videos there. Kini Show is on the screen like this. Kini Show television. If you watch it, you see me there as well. Then if you watch my son's channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. Mr. Last Born. Just press Mr. Last Born Comedy. You will see many jokes of that boy there. Even I used to feature there to teach some things. Just press Mr. Last Born Comedy. You see me there. If you want to buy the booze and honey, you can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. You can go to Mushin. I have a branch at Mushin. Number 4, Alukularo Street. Number 4, Alukularo Street, Mushin bus stop. When you go to Bariga, house of number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. At Surulere, you can go to number 5C, Akérèlé Street Extension. Number 5C, Akérèlé Street Extension. Opposite Powerwood, Akérèlé, Surulere. At Oshodi, you can go to number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia, Oshodi. Or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota, if you are living around Sango area. When you are coming from Sango, just enter Maruwa to Yanayesi Johnson. Cross the road and tell Okada Man or Maruwa that you are going to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota, they will bring you to my office. If you are coming from Agbara, drop at Yanayesi. You don't need to go to Sango. From Agbara, from Owode, enter motor going to Sango, drop at Yanayesi. You don't cross the road again. If you are coming from that area, you will see Okada or Maruwa. Tell them you are going to Baba Oloyin original place. They will bring you to my house by the special grace of God. And don't forget to watch out for my new book, African Power Part 2. Those of you that will enjoy the African Power Part 1, you are sending me messages that you like it and you are expecting the second one. I told you that in my last video that when this book will come out, you will see how to receive forgiveness, the origin, how to use it. Ewe kile fi mi say. I told you one popular man, a former governor. He said they are looking for me. They are looking for me. I'm here with you. What can you do for me? They said we can't do anything. Go away. Ewe kile fi mi say. Oga man so used to say it. And this one agba. Yes, it's a leaf. You can do me, but nothing. Ewe ayokani, what you had to eat is coming out in a new book. Ọlọ́run mẹ́jà rẹ́jọ́, àtẹ̀bí àtàrí, Ọlọ́run mẹ́jà rẹ́jọ́. If you have court case, you want to cancel or you want to receive favor, it's coming out in a new book by the special grace of God. African Power Part 2. We see many things there. African Power Part 2. Ewé kan bẹ wọ́n pè ní ewé Rẹ́rìn-kómi. People will always laugh at you. They laugh with you. Whether they know you before they don't know. Anytime you read that, they will like you. Till next time, don't forget the phone number is on the screen. 08054749455. Because some people will still call me. What is your phone number? What is your WhatsApp number? My WhatsApp number and phone number is on the screen. 08054749455. And don't forget my books are not on Amazon. You can get my books as e-books. When you send your message to me on WhatsApp or you call, I will direct you. You can get my books as e-books if you are not living in Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria, we can send the books to you through courier services and they deliver to you within 3 days. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.